Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, and today I'm going to be doing part 3 of my carnival makeup looks. I hope you guys really enjoyed this little mini series that I've been doing so far. I think all the looks came out cute, but don't forget to follow me on my social medias and let me know which one you like the best. So if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching. So my eyebrows are already done, and I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain to give me that nice clean base on my eyes. I do this every time I'm using colorful eyeshadows. Again, I'll let it wait to get a little dry, and then I'm going to set it with my airspan powder. Now I'm taking the Warrior 3 palette, and I'm using this nice beautiful bright blue shade called Gola, and I'm putting that all in my crease. I'm gonna kind of flare it out a little bit because this is gonna be like one of those extended cut creases. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just blend. Y'all already know I pat my colors on and then I blend out the edges, and I'm gonna do that on both my eyes. Now to deepen it up, I'm going in my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking the navy blue shade, and I'm gonna just put that right underneath. At first I didn't really like how it was coming out, but I figured if I just continued it would eventually look like something. So as you can see, I'm just patting the color on, and then I'm taking the other brush that I use for the light blue shade, and I'm blending it out. And then I'm gonna go in more with this is like a small, real dense brush, and I'm just blending out the navy blue shade. I don't know, this was really hard. I didn't know what I was doing at this point, but once I cut the crease, it looked much better. So now I'm using the Lancome eye makeup remover. I said in my previous videos you could use Vaseline to get the same effect. Basically, this just wipes off any excess product. Because I'm going to be cutting my crease, I don't want the blue to be underneath the white concealer. It just gives you a real clean base. So yeah, I'm just taking that on a Q-tip and wiping off the extra product on my eyelid itself. Now after both eyes are done, I'm gonna go back in with the porcelain concealer, and I'm just gonna cut it out again so that I can have a nice clean base, and I'm going to set it with more airspan powder. And for eyeliner, of course, I'm using my NYX matte black liquid liner. You could kind of see there was like some navy blue underneath. I was trying to go for like a smoked eyeliner, but like, again, I didn't know what I was doing, so I was like, nah, I'm just gonna stick to the eyeliner. So yeah, I'm just giving myself a nice thick wing, and I'm gonna do that on both eyes. So going back in the same palette, I'm taking Karama and I'm placing that in the blank space. I was gonna just apply the glitter in that area, but I figured, you know what, let me add a little like of a shimmer shade underneath, and I think that's really what I should start doing from now on. Whenever I'm applying glitter, like make sure I do like a base color underneath so it kind of fills in the gaps of the glitter, like say if you missed a spot. Now I'm just taking my NYX glitter glue, and this glitter came with the face gems. I mentioned this in the last video. It came with some glitters and about 12 face gems, and this is one of the glitters that came with it. I also noticed that placing the glitter after I do my eyeliner, it's a little bit neater, because sometimes when you put the glitter all over your eyelid and then you try to do your wing liner afterwards, it leaves like your eyeliner kind of chunky. Sometimes you could get away with it, but it just looks neat when you save the glitter for last. So now onto my face. I'm finishing the top of my eyebrows, and I'm using Toffee to do this. I'm using an angled brush, and I'm just carving the top of my eyebrows. And yeah, this is a new shade that I've been using. I think it's okay for these dramatic looks, just to make my eyebrows stand out a little bit more. So for primer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX NK Auto Liner. It is a blue eyeliner. I used it in the last video. It's in the shade Deep Sky Blue. And I got it from the beauty supply store along with the pink one that you probably saw in the last video. If you watched it, if you haven't, make sure you go check it out. And then under my eye, I'm also going to go back in with that navy blue shade, and I'm just putting it underneath the light blue. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Il Makiage foundation. This is the same one where they match you online for $5, and if you like, you get to keep it. and you know, obviously pay full price. I'm in the shade 230, and I think this is my first time actually fully using it. So the last video was my second time using it, and that's why I decided to use it again, because it matched really well. And as you can see, I'm just jamming out. I'll be on the phone listening to music all out while making these videos, so don't mind me. Now for this part, I'm just blending it out. I took off my elastic band and I sprayed my hair with some water. And what lace, I mean, what wig, I mean, it's probably just growing out of my scalp. We'll never know. Anyways, I'm going in with my ABH contour palette. I'm using the shade Carrot, which is the deepest shade, you know, putting it a little bit on the front, so just blending it out. And underneath my cheekbones, and for concealer, of course, I'm using Cafe. This is the Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. So of course, I'm just blending everything out and going around the edges, and then I'm going to use my black opal powder in the shade Medium, and I'm just gonna set under my eyes. I like to press it in my face. Y'all know I don't really like to bake, so yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So to finish contour my face, I'm gonna just blend out the cream contour first and then set it with the Black Radiance palette. So now I'm just gonna highlight my face. I'm using Bronzed from the Glow Kit by ABH on my nose and my cheeks and my brow bone, and then I'm going to just mattify my face a little bit with my face powder from MAC. I'm in NW48. So now I'm just gonna throw a little bit of mascara on under my bottom lashes, and I'm gonna start applying the sticker gems to my face. And again, I got these off of Amazon in a pack. I will link it down below. And yeah, they were, again, and it really inexpensive. It came with like 12, I believe, and some glitters. So now I'm using my lip gloss. This is from my website. Super proud of it. This is in the shade Hollywood. So it's like a clear with some gold glitter in it. And I really like it. Like, this is my favorite one. And I'm just fixing up my hair and putting some mousse in it. This wig you can also get off my website. And this one is 18 inches. This wig is deep wave 18 inches. And I mean, again, what lace. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. This part 3, this is probably like my favorite one, only because of the glitter. Like, I think it just looks so bomb. All my social medias will be down below, my website too, my lip gloss, this wig. If you want to need a wig service, whatever you need, girl, I got you. Just make sure you check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.